Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video I'll show you how to make a bootable USB drive. I'm going to install Windows OS on one of my old laptops, and I need to do it through a USB. So it's pretty easy. There are a couple of steps to do it. I'm gonna make this video in a couple of parts so the video isn't too long. So in this video I'll show you how to actually make the bootable drive, and maybe in the next video I'll show you how to install it on a new computer. So what we need to search for here is a small tool. It's called Rufus or Rufus, whatever however you want to pronounce it. So you want to go on their website. Come on. And scroll down, and you want to download this file, Rufus, whatever the version is available at the time. And once you download it, it's going to be a .exe file, and you want to run it. And when you run it, you get this little beauty, right? And then you want to insert your USB drive in here. So that's my memory card there. And when I insert that in, there we go. I've got my 8 gig drive. And now what all we need to do is we need to mount the ISO file on this little software. So I'm gonna select the file where I put it. So that's the Windows version there. And here we go. And so you don't need to change any of the settings. All you need to click is start. And it's going to start making your and it's going to give you a warning saying, yeah, it's going to destroy all the data on it. And you click OK. And here we go. It's going to start the whole process. It works relatively fast. This ISO file is around 3.5 gigs. So anyways, what I'll do is I'll pause the video, and I'll show you what happens. Okay, so here we go. It says it's ready. It's all done. And let's go to the Explorer and have a look. I'm just gonna refresh it. And yeah, here it is. It's done. So this is how you make your USB bootable, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Tell me, do you feel ashamed on how